Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this special edition of the Coffee with Craig show. I'm here with Winston Norman, editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. Good morning, Winston. Good to see you.
All right, Craig. How's it going?
Good to see you. Good, good. So we just wanted to kind of get together and cover the last event we did, which was the 17th annual SEE Real Estate Awards in Romania. Winston, you were there. Did you have a good time and enjoy the day?
Oh yeah, it was excellent. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. No, it's really hard work actually. I'm surprised. You know, we've done these awards many times, and okay, we've not done one in Bucharest for 2 years, but it doesn't get any easier, the work.
It doesn't. It shouldn't it?
But still enjoyable.
Yeah, definitely not. It's definitely not just happening on its own. But anyway, I wanted to just congratulate all the winners and give them their fair due. We had Retailer of the Year this year, Starbucks. Our Professional Service Provider of the Year, BuildGreen Consulting. Also, Architectural Firm of the Year, Chapman Taylor. They got a big round of applause as well. Construction firm, no shock, Bog'Art there. Great to see the owners also be there from Bog'Art. The Project Management Firm of the Year, which was Optim Project Management. Property Firm of the Year, CBRE. I think they win Property Firm of the Year quite often. Law Firm of the Year for the second year in a row, Stratulat and Albulescu won Law Firm of the Year. Agency, also another local company, Griffes, Agency of the Year, Griffes. Bank of the Year, Erste Group Bank. Asset Management Company, and they won several awards, and that was AFI Group. Yeah, not surprised, AFI Europe, no surprise that they won that. Also Investor of the Year, once again, AFI Europe. Investment Deal, again, and not surprising that they won Investor of the Year and Investment Deal, but that's, AFI Europe acquired 2 land plots for residential for rent, so, as we hear residential for rent becoming a huge sector throughout the region. Residential Developer of the Year, One United Properties. Retail Developer, also AFI Europe, which has done a lot doing a lot with retail, and also I think they have some competition for next year with Coliseum Mall, which just opened. Warehouse Developer, CTP. Office Developer, Forte Partners. Retail that was our companies, and then going on to the projects. We had Retail Project of the Year and Fashion House, Pallady won that one from Fashion House Group. Residential Project, a big project, Arcadia Apartments, Phase 1 and 2. Our Luxury Residential, which is called Slow Life District, which was in Bulgaria from BLD Homes. Refurbishment Office of the Year, Dacia won from Atenor. Very nice refurbishment on that. So a lot of great awards there. And just to round it up, well, we've got our other refurbished hotel project of the year, which was Radisson Blue, Phase 1. And and they're doing a lot of refurbishment on Radisson still, but nice lobby, great refurbishment so far. Best Asset Management Project is U Center, Forte Partners. Mixed Use Project of the Year, One Tower, done by One United Properties. Warehouse Project, not surprising, CT Park, Bucharest West from CTP Romania. Also, Office Project, which is Milo Offices, Forte Partners, again on that one. Future Project, Amber Forest from Atenor, Alesnor. And then we have our 2 Professionals of the Year, which was 2 newcomers to the event as well, or not necessarily, not to the projects, but we had Alex Goras, which was from Alesor, which they're doing this Amber Forest, And our Professional Woman of the Year, for the first time as professional, is Andrea Pon from Griffes. So entrepreneur, local agency, and now it's the first time that we had a local agency win Agency of the Year, which I think was great to see. We see, local law firm, local agency. Some of these companies are becoming pretty big.
Yeah, I mean that was one of the highlights for me, Griffiths winning, because when we were with Ernst and Young and going through the audit and totaling the scores, and it was like Griffiths was the winner. They're against some big international players there, so for them, a local agency, to win, and and the numbers are there.
Yeah,
they've actually through the regions and through the office market, they've had a lot of business in 2021 and under difficult circumstances. So they were, I think, a very deserved winner. Forte Partners, good to see them win. I mean, that's their projects are internationally recognised.
Yeah, always A class. Yeah,
always A class, and they look good. And I like the way that the synergies of the winners and the participating companies. They all know each other. They all work with each other, and they all say, if you're not working with us, then maybe you will now.
Yeah,
So that was actually nice to see, and it's more of a local atmosphere, I think, in the Bucharest Awards than maybe here up in Poland. Is a bigger kind of market, more international.
Yeah, down there they know each other. Yeah, even like you said, the president of Bog'Art is probably knew most of them.
Yeah, right.
Or built most of them. He made that comment that no matter who's winning, they're winning somehow.
Yeah.
So okay. Anyway, we'd also like to thank our sponsors, because without them, we could never have such a great event. And our jury dinner sponsor was Arcadia Apartments. Our premier partners were One United Properties, Revitas, REIT City, SEMO. Our associate partners were Optim Project Management and Stratulat and Albulescu. Our awards sponsors are BLD, Brisk, Emo Finance, AC & Company, very nice fashion company there, Bog'Art, Forte Partners, and Lee Brick and Wood. Our corporate table partner, AFI Europe Romania, our Flex office partner, New Work. Sustainability partner, BuildGreen. Our business intelligence partner, CDDI, corporate due diligence and investigation. We had the conference during the day, and as you remember, we had our breakfast and coffee break sponsored by Canadi Development. Very good consultants there. And of course, our media partners, we had HRCC, the AHK Romania, that's the German Chamber of Commerce, Transylvania Business, great business news partner, and then our charity partner, Unipath Foundation, which actually raised quite a lot of money, and they're going to send us the official total here soon, so we'll publish that also. And but I saw a lot of people were scanning their phones and donating money, so nice to see for the refugees in Romania from the Russia-Ukraine war. And also our auditor, great, we always have them for auditing, adding up the awards at the end, auditing them. It's one thing that we don't have to do, right? One of the great things that we don't have to take care of, because the EY audit team takes care of that. They give out the voting sheets to the jury, they collect them, they add them up, and they give us the winner. So always great to have them. And they've been with us for years. I think they enjoy doing it, and we enjoy not having this responsibility. So great that they're on. I think everyone enjoyed themselves. It looked like a great event. We had a nice pianist doing some great music, and of course the wines from Vinarte, always very nice. So again, thank you all for our sponsors, our award winners, and also our jury. We had 36 total jury members. 25 of them that were on location voted that way, and 10 of them voted online, which was also worked out well. Yeah, I think we'll always keep this online
opportunity.
From the
pandemic.
What's that?
A gift from the pandemic.
A gift from the pandemic. Yeah, before we had them all online.
Hybrid
yeah.
event.
Before we had all the jury members online, then we had half, and now it's, I guess, a third. So we'll see. But I think it is something to keep, because there's always some people that miss flights or can't come for whatever reason.
No, it definitely keeps them involved. And
exactly. So anything else you want to add about the winners or the...
Oh, you can probably mention Atenor. You mentioned them. Their Amber Forest future project looks excellent. This big residential development outside of Bucharest there. Lots of green credentials, and I think it was highlighted in the conference that another fallout or aspect from the pandemic is people don't want to live in the city anymore. They want their own garden, they want a bit of space, they want to be closer to nature, and that was represented a lot, I think, in the awards and throughout the couple of days about how the pandemic has shifted or created opportunities for others in the markets. So yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah, the panel the panels were also very good. Well, great. That's thank you for joining our event. If you were there at the SCE Awards, and thanks for sponsoring and helping us. Our next save the date. Our next date is April 6th, I think. April 6th at the Radisson Hotel, already booked and in place. If you're doing business in Southeastern Europe, let us know if you want to be on the jury or participate in the event. Please just drop me a quick email. We'd definitely be happy to have. We're always looking for new jury members. I think half the jury members we had this year were new. A lot of retailers, a lot of new developers, and a few banks, and a lot of the banks are back, which we missed out for a few years. So good to see them back. So we'll see you next year, and we'll at the SCE Awards, 18th annual. Wow, almost 20. We'll have to do something for 20 years. We'll have to do something for 18 years. So enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for participating in the SCE Awards, and we will see you the next year, and have an excellent day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.